Today we have a margarita with a twist, literally. Today we're making the Cabana Crush Margarita. To start this cocktail, we are going to use half an ounce of simple syrup. Oh my goodness, I need it to come out. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce of coconut milk. 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. 1 ounce of Aperol. I spilled last time. Haha! No spilly spill this time. And then 2 ounces of tequila from the strangest pour spout known to mankind.
The last time you made a cocktail with Cointreau? It's been a hot minute.
It has been a hot minute. Don't speak to me of things you know nothing about. I'm in a weird mood today, people. Okay. Now that we have our ingredients in our shaker tin, we are going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it is ice cold in our hands. We are also going to take our rocks glass. We're going to add ice. Boop. One for good luck. Okay. Ooh. Doggo hair. Ew. Okay.
Health department.
Health department. It's fine. I'm drinking it. I don't care. Anyway. Okay. We're going to double strain into our rocks glass. So pretty. All right. And then for our garnish, we are going to use a super cute little dainty lime wedge.
Oh, so pretty.
It's so cute. All right. As always, I am going to taste. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Then I'm going to rate it. 1, I could drink 1 cocktail, move on to the next. 5, I could drink it all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see what this one is. I just smell the lime, not going to lie. Ooh, very orangey. It's more orangey than I was expecting. For me, I mean, it's actually not as bitter considering there's a full ounce of Aperol in there. It's not very bitter at all. And even with
Excuse me.
Wow. Cameraman, get it together. I'm trying to tell people what this tastes like.
Sneezes.
No, it doesn't taste like sneezes. Anyway, you do taste the Aperol, but you don't necessarily get the bitter of the Aperol. And same thing, you get the tequila, but there's no like harshness of the tequila. Excuse you, sir. Sorry, dog. Anyway, for me, I'm going to give this one, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. This is one I would definitely drink quite a bit of. It's very orangey, but it's also very light. So it's not super heavy. Even with the coconut milk, gives it a little bit of a creamy texture. So it's really nice. All right. Ingredients are going to be listed down below. So make sure you give it a try at your own home or your own kitchen counter. I was going to say bar, but you know, that's a whole, I don't have one of those. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next pour. Cheers.